So this is the box for the National Tree Company Dunhill Fir 9-foot tree. So to start with, your bottom piece has this little holder on it. You just need to take that off. It comes with this base. You just want to open it up and make it as squared as possible so you have a nice sturdy base. And with the 9-foot tree, the base is quite wide. It's 66 inches in diameter. So you can see as he puts it in, the branches will just automatically fall down, and then after that you start the process of spreading them out. The biggest thing about making this tree look its full potential is to make sure you fluff it out enough, and each of these branches has like 3 fingers. So the first thing you want to do is get that spread out and then on the inside there's a bunch more branches in here. You want to spread those out and spread them in different directions so that you're going to be filling all the holes. When you do the branch next to it, sometimes I will like even crisscross them a little bit and then continue to fill them out. This is going to be our 4th Christmas with it. So we bought it 3 years ago. There are 4 sections to this tree. The top one does not have the 3 branches because it's so much smaller, it doesn't need it. I'm going to take the next section and you'll see how the lights will just light up automatically. There. No plugging in, no connecting cords. If you'll just tip the branches just a tiny bit upwards, it gives it a more lifelike appearance. And speaking of tips, there are over 4,000 tips on this 9-foot tree. If it says if a bulb is out, you should try to replace it as soon as possible. The rest of the strand will stay lit, but if you don't replace the bulbs, then over time the whole strand may go out. There we go. A few years ago, we were looking at the prices of live trees, and it just had gotten so astronomical that we just didn't want to keep paying for that. That being said, we were apprehensive about buying a new an artificial tree for all the reasons that you might be. And that is it going to look real? And especially when you're ordering it through the mail, it's a little scary. You know, you look at the pictures, but you just really don't know. And we were both so pleased. We just love how real it looks. Okay, I'm going to attempt to put in the top piece by myself. I don't think I've ever done this before. And hey, ta-da! All done. And I think it took me about 2.5 hours. Now that's a long time, but I am doing it all by myself this year. And if you had somebody helping you, obviously it's going to go much faster. Now, the Dunhill fir tree also comes in 6.5 foot, 7 foot, and 7.5 foot in this listing. And then if you need a smaller one, you can go to the National Tree Company store here on Amazon and you'll find some smaller ones.